Hello. By the end of this video, you will have learned how to use string formatting in Python, one of the most powerful ways to control how your text and numbers appear on the screen. So let's not waste time. Let's jump straight into our very first example. In the first example, we look at how to place variables directly inside a sentence. It's a clean and modern way to combine text with dynamic data. Instead of manually joining words together, we let Python fill in the blanks for us. This makes our print statements much more readable and much easier to manage. Next, we explore how to format numbers, specifically how to round them. This is incredibly useful when dealing with values like pi, prices, measurements, or anything that shouldn't have a million decimal places. With formatting, we control exactly how many digits we want to show, making our output clean and professional. After that, we move on to performing calculations inside the formatting itself. This is a huge convenience. Python can handle the math and the formatting at the same time. So instead of calculating something separately and then printing it, we can do everything in one step, keeping our code neat and simple. In the next example, we revisit an older but still useful formatting style where we place placeholders inside a sentence and then fill them in using a separate method. It's more traditional, but it's good to know because you may see it in older code or tutorials. Understanding both modern and classic approaches makes you a more confident Python developer. Then we take a look at formatting large numbers with commas. This tiny detail makes huge values much easier to read. Whether you're dealing with population counts, financial data, or big numerical results, adding commas instantly makes the output clearer for humans. Now we switch to text alignment. Here we learn how to position text to the left, right, or center. This is especially handy when creating tables, menus, or any kind of structured output. With alignment, we can make even plain console text look organized and polished. Next, we talk about formatting percentages. Python can automatically turn a decimal into a percent and even round it for you. This is perfect for progress bars, statistics, analytics, or anything that tracks completion or change. After that, we take a look at formatting dates. Often you want to display days and months with leading zeros to keep everything aligned. This example shows how simple it is to make your dates look consistent, clean, and professional. Then we look at padding numbers with zeros, a very common technique when dealing with IDs, order numbers, or any system that requires a fixed length number. Instead of writing 42, we can turn it into 00042, which looks like a real structured identifier. And that wraps up all our examples for this lesson. In the next video, we'll continue exploring Python step by step, building your skills one lesson at a time. See you there.